Welcome to the campus of Johnson & Wales University in Uptown Charlotte, one of 4 locations nationally for the Johnson & Wales University system. The Charlotte campus is celebrating a milestone today in healthy living.
Being tobacco-free on campus prepares your students for a tobacco-free hospitality work world, which is becoming more and more common in most states. More importantly, this tobacco-free campus policy supports students in their development of healthy lifestyles and protects students, faculty, and staff from the known harms of secondhand smoke.
College students deserve safe, clean air. Tobacco-free policies on campuses contribute to changing the tobacco-free social norm in the same way smoke-free restaurants and tobacco-free K-12 public schools have in North Carolina.
We've got this huge stigma with the culinary industry on smoking and tobacco use and alcoholism, and it's kind of just trying to transition that culture into a more kind of healthy way of living.
This truly was a team effort, and it is an historic moment for Mecklenburg County.
And so if you go to the parks and
Earlier this year, Mecklenburg County and the City of Charlotte instituted smoke-free and tobacco-free policies for government property and public parks. Mecklenburg County Health Director Dr. Marcus Plesha knows these community partnerships that promote tobacco-free policies will continue to grow.
Yeah, the work that Johnson & Wales has been doing in Charlotte is really, really important. And I think one of the most important things about it is it's really building on a lot of momentum we're seeing here in our community about tobacco and tobacco control. Many people know that we recently passed a smoking and tobacco ordinances in the parks and at government buildings. And I think this coming sort of right after that with Johnson & Wales making their entire campuses tobacco-free, that's very important to keep that momentum going.
Creating a healthy place to learn and work is a passion for many in our community. And one such person is Karen Heine, the Director of Health Services at Johnson & Wales University, Charlotte.
As a nurse for 41 years, I recognize how important this was to the health of our students, our staff, and faculty. We've been working on this since 2012 and finally got it approved to move forward with it, and have just put lots of planning into it. We have an implementation team here on campus that help put everything together, and it's worth the fight. Absolutely.
It's great coming from a person who doesn't smoke at all, so it's a great atmosphere to be in. The fact that you don't have to walk by anyone and, get contact or anything. So that's a great feeling.
We applaud Johnson & Wales University Charlotte for joining the ranks of other Mecklenburg County partners to promote a culture of health and clean air.
When you think about Johnson & Wales, they train people to work in the hospitality industry, and when you think about where some of these tobacco-free, smoke-free rules are most important is in the hospitality industry, in restaurants and bars. It's so important to protect the health of people who work in those settings. So I think that the fact that the Charlotte campus is going tobacco-free and will soon be followed by the other campuses across the nation is really very, very important, and it is a great sign of leadership.
All 3 of the other Johnson & Wales locations in Miami, Denver, Colorado, and Providence, Rhode Island will go tobacco-free in 2016. We appreciate the Charlotte campus's bold leadership and the contributions you continue to make to this community. Way to go, tobacco-free Johnson & Wales University.